Introducing the Powerbuilt 3-ton all-in-one jack from Alltrade Tools. It's the world's first and only combination bottle jack and jack stand, designed and built to save you time and money. Every shade tree mechanic and do-it-yourselfer knows the drill for safely raising a vehicle for servicing. First, you jack your car or truck up using a bottle or scissor jack. Then you place jack stands underneath the car. Then you lower the vehicle onto the jack stands. Then you remove the jack and finally get to work. Bad enough in your driveway, but what do you do when a floor jack isn't handy? Or when you need to jack up a truck or SUV while off-road? Enter the new Powerbuilt all-in-one jack. It's not just a bottle jack. It's not just a jack stand. It's both in one convenient unit. It eliminates the cost and hassle of a floor jack. It's much easier to lift, move, and store, and costs a lot less too. The all-in-one is designed and constructed for use on full-size pickups and SUVs, and with a 6,000-pound capacity, it can easily and safely lift almost any passenger vehicle on the road. Here's how the all-in-one works. Make sure the release valve is closed. Then just pump the handle to raise the support arm. As the all-in-one lifts, a ratcheting safety latch automatically drops in place to secure the lift arm in position. For added lift range, simply pull the pin and raise the ratchet bar extension. The all-in-one offers lift range from 11 inches all the way to 21 inches, making lifting even a modified 4x4 a breeze. As great as the all-in-one is for lifting vehicles, it has other uses too. Use it to raise, level, and hold deck joists, wood beams, and other construction materials to get the job done faster and easier. The all-in-one meets or exceeds ANSI standards and is protected by a 1-year warranty. So the next time you need to lift and hold something big, reach for the one jack that does the job of two, the Powerbuilt all-in-one.